Hi, myself Dr. Vishwanath, a consultant physician and diabetologist. So we are hearing a lot of news about COVID vaccine. Possibly no other vaccine has become so popular. After this pandemic, finally we come to the stage that there are two vaccines are made available in India in the coming few weeks. The first one is the Covishield vaccine by Oxford AstraZeneca. This is a vector vaccine made from the adenovirus of the chimpanzees, and it will be available in few weeks. The second, indigenous Covaxin, it's a killed inactivated COVID vaccine. So these two vaccines are available in India in the coming weeks. So these vaccines will prevent a COVID symptoms or COVID pneumonia, or if not, it will prevent the severity of COVID pneumonia. So along with that, let's know about other important adult vaccines. Everyone knows that we get vaccines for kids and children's, but even for adults, there are 5 very important vaccines. So among the next 5 important vaccines, 2 more very important for people who are elderly, diabetic, to prevent pneumonia and flu symptoms are: one is a flu vaccine. The flu vaccine is an influenza vaccine which every adult can take once in a year, and especially very important for the elderly people. And other important vaccine is pneumococcal vaccine. The pneumococcal vaccine comes as 2 variants. One is PSV 13 and PSV 23. So this is again given for the elderly to prevent pneumonias. So flu vaccine and pneumococcal vaccines is very important for elderly populations, diabetics, to prevent the onset of pneumonia, because once anybody develop a pneumonia, the suffering is more, the complications are more. So other 3 important adult vaccines are: hepatitis B vaccine. This comes in 3 doses. And second is tetanus vaccine. The tetanus vaccine comes in a combination of tetanus, diphtheria and pertussis. The Tdap vaccine, which adults can take once in 10 years. And one more vaccine, very important especially for the people above 50 years, is shingles vaccine. That is herpes zoster vaccine, which comes in 2 doses, which helps in preventing herpes zoster. So along with COVID vaccines, everyone must have an idea about other important vaccines like flu vaccine, pneumococcal vaccine, hepatitis B, Tdap and shingles. So consult your physician regarding which vaccine is needed for you, and whenever time possible, you can go for it. And they are equally important and protect you against many other diseases. And again, among the vaccines available, there is nothing compulsion. Vaccine taking is voluntary. Anybody can go for it, and some people are not ready to go for it by fearing complications and believing that something may happen after this. Bye for now.